Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple AirDrop between iPhone and Mac, quick transfer tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using AirDrop, ensure both your iPhone and Mac are connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. On your iPhone, swipe down from the upper right corner to access the control center. Press and hold the wireless control panel to reveal more options. Tap on the AirDrop icon to select your sharing preferences. You can choose contacts only or everyone for visibility. Next, on your Mac, open Finder and click on AirDrop located in the sidebar. Ensure that AirDrop is set to allow discovery by contacts only or everyone. Now, let's transfer a file from your iPhone. Open the app that contains the file you want to share, like photos, notes, or files. Select the item you wish to send and tap the Share icon. In the Share menu, you'll see the AirDrop section. Locate your Mac's name in the AirDrop section and tap it. You'll see a notification on your Mac indicating that your iPhone is sending a file. On your Mac, a pop-up will appear to confirm the file transfer. Click Accept to receive the file. Once the transfer is complete, you can find the file in your Downloads folder. If you wish to send a file from your Mac to your iPhone, right-click on the file you want to share. Select Share and then choose AirDrop. In the AirDrop window, select your iPhone. You'll get a notification on your iPhone prompting you to accept the file. Tap Accept to begin the download. After the transfer, check the appropriate app on your iPhone for the received file. With these steps, you've successfully used AirDrop to transfer files between your iPhone and Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.